Civilians run for cover on the streets of Mogadishu. Many have been caught in the crossfire between Islamist insurgents and the Ethiopian army which is backing Somalia's interim government. Nobody dares to go out and collect the bodies of those killed in the fighting. The Islamic militants are outgunned by Ethiopia's heavy armour, but they're fighting tooth and nail in these residential areas of the capital city. There's been a steady stream of wounded arriving at this hospital. I was on my way to my next-door neighbour to decide whether we should flee the city, this injured woman says. But a mortar shell exploded right in front of us. My children are also wounded. Law and order have broken down completely in Somalia, with more than 500,000 people displaced by the violence. The provisional government is struggling against the current Islamic insurgency. The latest round of fighting is believed to be the worst in months in a country riven by clan rivalries. The Ethiopian troops, backed by the United States, managed to drive out an Islamist administration, the so-called Union of Islamic Courts, by the end of 2006. But the international community and the African Union peacekeepers on the ground now wonder how long Somalia's transitional government can remain in control of its capital city. Greg Mosbach, BBC News.